So what we're going to do here, we're using the Zebra setup utilities. We're going to troubleshoot a label. If something's happening with the printer compared to what label is being sent and it doesn't seem to be printed right, let's just take a look at what's actually being sent in the label. So what we're going to do, we're going to send a few commands to the printer, and then we're going to print. And then once that's done, turn off the logging and get the information from the printer, so we can see what's being sent and if there's anything different. So we'll open communications with this printer, and what we're going to do is we're going to send down this input capture, and we're going to set it to run. So we're going to copy it here, press enter twice, and say send to printer. In the meantime, let's open a new window. So what we're going to do is run our sample label. And so from here, I have a test label, and I'm just going to print this. So this was designed for this current printer. I have a ZD620, and I'm just going to say print. And you might see an error, but what I see is if I press close, the label ends up printing, and the data is captured. So it just printed. And so if I go back here, this second command is a directory. We're going to see what's in flash memory. So if I go here, press enter twice, say send to printer, I see a series of dump files in the printer. The dump files, these two existed before, but this third one is what we're looking for and what was just created. So by turning this on, it creates this dump file here. So what we'll do in a third window is we're going to turn the capture off. So we'll say there, send to printer, or else this will just keep building. These dump files will end up killing all the memory on it. So what we want to do then is we're going to look at the file. So we'll create another new window, and this is in03.dmp. So yes, we'll press enter twice, and we can hit this little recycle bin one. That's going to get rid of all the information down here, and we'll say send to printer. So it'll go to the printer, and it'll grab the information in that printer, and it'll put it right here. So once it puts it here, we can go up and export it, and then we can have the information to compare. Here's what's being sent from the software, and we can match it to see what the printer has in it. So all of these commands up here mean something. So what we would need for, if you are doing this, is to export this, export all received data and save it as a file, and then you would need to send that into the help desk. And so if you do have some of these files and you do feel that they are taking up space, there is a quick way to delete them. You can go up here, we'll change this to 03, we're going to press this twice, say send to printer. So in essence, that will delete the file and clear up whatever space that you need.